Hi, I'm Avi, a product manager at Evident. Today, I'd like to introduce you to our scanR high-content screening solution. The scanR system is designed to automate and simplify the process of acquiring and translating images into detailed and expansive quantitative results. This makes it a valuable tool in basic research through to advanced drug discovery and development. scanR is designed around assays that intuitively automate your imaging. You can build these assays using a range of easy-to-understand parameters, or you can take advantage of one of the pre-built assays and get started right away. First, determine what parameters you want to evaluate. These can be anything from cell morphology to fluorescence intensity to protein localization. Results are then visualized using a cytometry-based approach, using scatter plots to identify populations of interest. These scatter plots are fully interactive, enabling you to see the object behind every data point. After you've developed your assay, just press Start to run the acquisition and analysis of your experiment in parallel. Get real-time results and quickly compare between conditions. This entire process is built on scanR's deep learning technology. A trained neural network can perform rapid and accurate cell and object identification and segmentation. Unlike closed box systems, scanR is designed for flexibility. The scanR system is compatible with the complete line of iExplore systems, so you can add incubation, TURF, or FRAP, or you can leverage confocal spinning disk microscopy. For higher throughput, pair the system with a robot arm for a fully automated high-content screening solution. If you need an analysis solution but already have a microscope, scanR can be used as a standalone analysis tool. In short, the scanR system can automate your screening process from acquisition through to analysis, providing you with results faster and enabling you to evaluate your experiment using a multitude of parameters. For more information or to set up a demo, contact your local sales representative today or visit evidentscientific.com.